Hello friends, very welcome back to Knowledge Hub. And first of all, I am wishing to all my YouTube family members a very happy new year. May this new year brings lots of prosperity and happiness in your life. And let's start to my video. In my today's video, we will talk about preposition of time. As a preposition of place, preposition in preposition time, also we will use in, on, at. Let's start. First of all, what is the preposition of time? A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss a specific time period, such as a calendar, one of the day of a week, actual time something takes place. Means in preposition of time we will discuss about a particular date of calendar, a particular day of the week, and actual time period which at which time some activity takes place. It is the preposition of time. As I told you in my previous slide कि in preposition of time we use in, on or at. ठीक है. First of all we will discuss about in. This preposition of time is used to discuss month, seasons, years, centuries, general time of the day, and longer time period. Means in preposition of time we will use for a season, for any season, for any year, for any month, or century. Century means the 100 years. Means 100 years is called one century. ठीक है. One general day of a general time of a day, or longer time period, like in the past time I do like this, in past time I do like this, in ancient time. Means a large period. When we discuss about a large period of time, then we use in. Okay. Let's on in this preposition is used to discuss certain days of the week or portion of days of week, specific dates and specific days. On means on New Year's Day, on Christmas Day, on Deepavali, on Holi. Means a particular day. When we discuss about any specific day, then we will use on, not in. ठीक है. और any certain on Sunday, like I will go to park on Sunday. In this sentence we will not use in Sunday. We will use on Sunday because we are talking about any particular day of a week na. That's why we will use on. Like he will come at my home on Tuesday, है ना. And we will celebrate his birthday on New Year, है ना. We will celebrate his anniversary on 24 February. And like when we talk about any particular day, particular week of the day, then we will use on. Okay. Let's start at. Or at we will use a very exact time period. This preposition of time is used for discuss clock time, holidays and festivals, and very specific time frame, including expectations such as at night. Means at we will use any particular time period. Means at 5 o'clock he will go to home, at 9:30 he will come at home, at 5 am she wake up, है ना. Means we are talking about a particular time, a particular exact time, है ना. Means we will this at that time we will use at. Here are some specific example of in. My birthday falls in January, because we will talk about month. birds often migrate in spring and autumn season, है ना, in season, in month, in year. My great grandmother was born in 1906, है ना. And there are some example of on my vacations ends on Monday. We are going bowling on Friday, means a particular day of a week we will use on. My particular date of matlab particular day of a month also. My brother John was born on 3rd September, means particular day of the date of the month also use on. And at we will use exact time period. Wait, at 7:30 the town is always well decorated at Christmas time. Now that my grandmother is older, he no drive longer at night, means at particular time period we will use